welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful lovely look right here. I created this look with the new products from DESI and KATY's collection with those of colors. I'm not going to say anything because just like whew, it just speaks for itself, but I do want you to keep on watching. So without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm getting my BoxyCharm, but no, it's the package from Dose of Colors. Hopefully you can see this. The back here says DESI times KATY. And then you get the card. Oh, there's paper in it. It's like a postcard. It's so adorable. Freaking love them. Then these stickers. Like, how cute is that stickers? I'm just loving it. It's like I want to use these stickers, but then I'm like, no, I want to keep them to cherish them. But then I still want to use them as well. These are the products. I purchased everything from the collection except the highlight that's called Chasing the Sun. I wanted to purchase it, but then I was just like, it might be too dark for me. I don't know, so I didn't purchase it. The thing that I was excited for is that the highlight Fuego and the lip gloss Over the Top. I wanted those two before, but they got sold out so quickly. Round 2, I am not playing. So I purchased everything except Chasing the Sun. But anyways, let's get into this because I'm so excited. So this is the first time I ordered anything from Dose of Colors. First thing I can say is I received my package so quick. I purchased it Monday and then I received it Wednesday. That was like really quick. So this is the palette. I'm so excited about this. It's just like, do you see how it shines? The color rose gold. And in the front it says Friendcation, DESI times KATY, Dose of Colors. And that's the palette's name. Friendcation. I never purchased anything that looked this fancy. Like, this is so luxurious. It's like I can't. Like, do you see? Oh my god, this is just so gorgeous. It just takes my breath away. When you open it, it's like the plastic, something I'm not going to use. I'm gonna throw that away. Look at how beautiful this is. I'm going to nitpick at everything because this is expensive. When it's more expensive to me, I look at every single thing. And even if it's drugstore, I look at everything. From the packaging, the way it's placed, from the shadows, just everything. Even though the packaging is wonderful, it's beautiful, like, oh my god, I love it. I do notice that 3 of the shadows, the pans weren't placed right. Is these 3 right here. It's like a little gap between. But other than that, that's the only thing I'm noticing. This shadow right here, the shadow is called A Moment. I don't know if you can tell, but in the viewfinder and in my mirror, I'm looking at it and it looks blue. But me placing it like this, I see purple. It's a blue shadow, but the reflex is purple. It's so stunning. I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use basic and apply it all over my lid, even my brow bone. I'm going to use Necessary, tilting my head a little bit back and resting my brows. I'm going to apply it right in my crease. And now I'm going to raise my brows just a little bit to get into the crease. I'm bringing this in the inner corner as well. Best thing to do when doing your eyes is to keep on going back and forth so you can diffuse any harsh lines. I'm going to take this and apply it on the outer corner as well. I'm going to dip into Churro. I'm going to apply that right in the crease as well. I'm going to go back into basic so I can buff out the edges. Now, I am going to go in with another matte, and the one I'm going to use is Girl Bye. Ooh, this is pigmented. A little goes a long way with this. And also my outer corner. Just dust it on the lid, you know, tap it in. Now I'm taking a brush that has no pigment on it at all to blend these shadows together. Next, we're going to go in and I'm going to use Try Me. I'm going to use my finger at first. I'm going to apply this on my outer corner. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I am going to take a flat brush, dip it in to Try Me again, and I'm going to use this to get closer to my crease. And what I'm doing is just tapping it on my lid. The reason why I left this like that is because I'm going to go in with just a kiss. I'm also going to tap it right on top of Try Me. I want to blend these two together. Gonna keep on going back and forth and tapping Just a Kiss and Try Me. I'll be going back into the palette and using Just a Kiss. So this is from 111 Skin, the Cryo Activating Hydra Gel. I'm gonna clean this up. So recently I haven't been using foundation, just concealer, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to do now. The other concealer I want to use is the e.l.f. one. And then I'm just going to blend the edges out with the side that has no concealer on it. Alright, this is what I'm going to do because I feel like this is too light for me. I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer, but a darker one. I'm just going to apply a little bit right here. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. Looking a little bit matter than I expected. So I'm going to take this sponge and just go over it because I have dry skin and I do not at all want to look dried. So I already see this bronzer in my August Ipsy bag. I feel like this is more of a topper than anything. So I'm going to go in with this first, kind of like stamping it on first. And then dusting it. Gotta get real close to your hairline. I'm gonna take the same brush and just dip a little into this. I'm gonna go back into the Wet n Wild contouring palette and snatch my nose up real quick. I'm going to take Necessary and buff it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in a little bit with Churro. I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to go in with Girl Bye and go real close to my lower lash line. This little brush and take Necessary and buff it out. With this brush, I'm going to go into Just a Kiss and pop that right in my inner corner again. So I'm going to use this Ciate London Wonder Wand. I'm going to take Girl Bye and set them. I'm going to curl my lashes and then use the Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. Now I'm going to go in with the Baddington lashes. Hopefully I capture myself applying my lashes. I'm going to apply some blush because I didn't do that. I'm going to use Balm Springs. Just want something to give me a little bit of color. Next, I'm going to be using this right here. This is the highlighter from DESI times KATY, and this is in Fuego. I just love the packaging. It's just so beautiful. Ugh. This has a little mirror as well. That is so adorable. Oh, okay. Gonna put some on my cheek. Gonna apply some on my Cupid's bow. Now I understand the hype about Fuego. Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm just like, yes! Yeah. I did purchase all the lips. So let's go in with my main, one of the liquid velvets. Oh my god, it feels so good. It feels so good on the lips. Like, oh, this formula is amazing. My lips feel like little clouds. I don't even know if that makes any sense. Next is a Mauve Story. So this is a Mauve Story. I feel like I'm saying a mauve. This is a Mauve Story. I'm not used to colors like this. I'm a little bit taken back because this is something new to me, but it actually looks good. Oh, and also I really don't do lip swatches, so if my lips look a little crazy or, you know, it's uneven, just sorry. I'm just my first time doing this, so please bear with me. Thank you very much. Okay, back to the swatches. This is Hey Girl. This is a creamy matte finish. Okay, I was about to say, because this feels a little bit too creamy to be matte. I love how it feels on my lips, but I think I would put this with a darker liner. But now we're going to Aftermath. Oh, I'm sorry, I get excited because this one right here, I just love how it looks. I love this lipstick. It does feel good on the lips. This is like my fall color. My fall color. I got my fall color. So this is Over the Top lip gloss. These smell really good. I love lip glosses, but some of them you can just feel the stickiness of it and it feels heavy on your lips, and with that, you know, you would get like little crusties in your inner lip. Yeah, around your lip. This one is not. I love how it looks because my lips look so juicy, but also the way it feels on my lips, you just feel so different on my lips. Damn. Okay, the last one is the most. Ooh, this just looks so wow. Feels the same as Over the Top. Wow, I'm blown away. Thank you for creating this. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to apply my main and the most. This is a color pencil. It says crayon multi-usage pencil. It's matte and this is for Makeup Forever. So this is my finished look and I am loving it. I can't. My overall thoughts for this collection, is it worth it? I don't like purchasing items that are expensive, but it's so worth it. Everything is worth it. I mean, I can't say about the highlight called Chasing the Sun because I don't have it, but everything else that I purchased, it's just wow. I love the packaging for each item. I love the formula for each item. When it comes to the lipsticks, lip gloss, and the liquid velvet, they all are comfortable on my lips and they're different things. Like I'm thinking like, one of them I'm not gonna like, but no, each one I love. The highlight, whew. So you see this, like, yes, beam is definitely fire. The palette, the only matte I didn't use was Cheens. They are so blendable. They're pigmented as hell, so a little bit goes a long way. The ones that are not matte, these are the only two that I use, and that's Just a Kiss and Try Me. Just a Kiss is my favorite. Try Me is beautiful, but Just a Kiss is just so perfect because you can use it by itself on the lid or you can pop it off on something. I'm done with this video. I'm done with every single product and I'm excited for every single product. So I just want to say congratulations to DESI, KATY, and Dose of Color for this amazing collection. I freaking love it. Quick shout out to KO Polish. I have one of the nail polishes on right now. This is from the new fall collection. This is in Medusa. That concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed and it was helpful. If you did purchase anything from this collection, please let me know down below which items you purchased and which ones you are loving. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Just smell, especially the formula. I want to know what? Ow. Give it to me, baby.